Hello guys, welcome again to our another beauty products video. We have just received those products from Nykaa. Let's see, the delivery boy has called us 30 minutes ago. We were waiting to get those products on the road. There is some 4 products in our hand. Those are PlamLashDrama mascara. Next is Plam green tea night gel, and the another one is Plam Think Derma 50 gram, and one of those free item is body mist sampler pack. There has 3 items in this package are Vanilla Vibes body mist, Hawaiian Roomba body mist, Trippin Mimosas body mist. Thanks for watching this video guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel to get the more video like this, and we hope you like this body mist and you like this to our channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe again. Thanks for watching this video.